Hi everyone. So this is the presentation of the complete implementation of the resistor to show that we can put information in our database and to search. So if we come to resistor, let me refresh this. Mm, so we are at home. We'll come to resistor. We'll put some name here, some user. But for email, since this is an email, we have to do @gmail.com. If we come to password, we can do this. And we need to developer mode because there's a lot of checks like username, password, is it already in the database, stuff like that. It doesn't check any of that. So if you look, it redirected, it put the information in the database. And similarly, if we come here and search for, like, let's say central, and if we search for it, we get all the, because it's in all categories, we get central location, central city weather, or we get food, we get reviews. So similarly, if we go to weather and we search for sunny, we get all the weather that has all the location that has a sunny weather. If we go to food bank and let's say we are looking for bread, so we search it, we get to, because this is like default values we have put in our database, so it just shows okay, central city, and then we can go to location. Let's say I'm looking for a park. I get locations where with park in it. Now similarly, weather zones, you can look for sunny here. Now this again gives you the, well, so this is the idea. It's all retrieving from the database. So this is my image running to confirm that it is actually getting the information from the database. We can do docker log back end container. Yeah, so you see user registration, it is listening on port, and both the time we did user registration, it was able to do it. Now, just to kind of show how the information is getting stored in the database, if I come here and run, let's say, the call command saying bread, which I pretty much do from the front end, it search, it goes to 5001, search, query bread, and the category food and bread. And you get this result. And for now, we just pick what location name is this. So we are kind of like joining it. So if we come to our search.ts, this is where we expose the route slash search. If we come to routes, we go to search. This is where we are doing actual query on the search. And this is where we look for, okay, which category has the user sent. Is user is in location, weather zone, reviews, or if none of them, then simply do all the searches and all the database. So yeah, this is our connection, which is completely set up. And yeah, the another thing that changed a little bit is how we have a search.tss here, which kind of maps everything, the search bar. And one of the major issues I had in this code was okay, let me actually show it to you guys. So if I do inspect, now if you see right now it goes over um, everything, right, when I'm on the iPad mode. Now if I come here, go to the front end, let me npm run dev. So now I have it running locally. localhost 5001. So now it's the same thing, but if we come to navbar, go to line here, and we just add md block, save it. So this is working, but if we do inspect here, now it will hide a little bit early so that it doesn't kind of overlap. So now this is a big issue because md command is not recognized by the Docker. So when I create the image there, it causes a lot of issues. So those were some of the things we ran into while creating it. But yeah, this is overall what we have, and yeah, we have the search working.